Dude, just non-stop lightning. Holy fuck. I've never seen anything like that. Ever. That's wild. Dude, this is like fucking a light show. Like, this is fucking wild. Dude, no one's ever seen anything like this. This is a whole different ball game. My God. Dude, this has been going on for fucking like... I don't even know. Jesus. Dude, who the fuck has seen anything like this? I want to know. This is a once in a lifetime thing right here. When are you going to see something like this? This is just non-stop lightning. Oh my God. I feel like if I did see something like this, it was back when I was like 10 or fucking 13 or something. But nothing like this. This is a lightning storm.